When creating a custom kitchen design, we always have to make sure that whatever we create have the functionality in mind for the client. As times goes by, requests get changed, styles get changed, understandings get changed. Everybody used to think that one big triangle between fridge, stove, and sink is what they have to have in the kitchen. As now many people want big kitchens, that have changed. With big kitchens, we are looking for two smaller triangles to interject between each other. And if we accomplish that, we believe that we are a winning team. My kitchens are very big, my islands are very big, and most of the time, the one triangle will not do what the belief is. So that is why I have to create two functional triangles. In my second functional triangle, I will include still a trip to the fridge, a mini sink, and then we're talking about specialty appliances like a steamer, like an additional, let's say, oven, right? So many people have their normal range, but they still want to have a wall oven so that for the holidays we have more items that we can cook, right? So they would work with that. I have people that still do some grilling on the skillets, right? So that will be on the second triangle as well. So anything that is specialty goes included in the second triangle, and the mainstays in the first triangle. When also talking about functional kitchen, it is all customizable because everyone has a different need. Everyone functions different in the kitchen. One of us are pizza makers, other ones don't want to make anything from scratch, but they still need the space because they like to cut a lots of vegetables. Or another ones like to make a lots of stews, so we need to include that. Other ones are all about smoothies, so we need to make sure that that's included. So with all those different diets, different recipes, kitchen trends and so on, the functionality of every kitchen beyond the two triangles is all about the client. So when we started to talk about the kitchen remodel in our first and very much second appointment, we will talk a lot about how you move in the kitchen. What do you do? What do you need? Because the needs are yours. And with that, I have to create a custom flow that will serve you and your family.